Fire can devastate businesses and lives. It doesn't matter where you work, how old or new your premises are, there is always a danger of fire. That's why there are so many regulations in place to protect us, and it's why competent people are nominated and trained to help prevent fire. They need the knowledge and skills to implement procedures that can save lives and restrict damage to property. They're known as Fire Wardens, and they are vital to that process. They can make the difference between life and death. It's that simple and that dramatic. Which is why training is so important. Fire Wardens have to understand their role, their duties, and the regulations that are in place to prevent fires and enable their fellow employees to stay safe.
Have your attention, please. Fire alarms have been activated.
A well-trained fire warden can save vital time by putting their training into practice in a real emergency. That's why we've made this comprehensive training programme that covers everything a fire warden needs to know to give them the power to be effective when it counts the most. The training is delivered in an engaging and highly professional way. Fire wardens can begin their training or refresh their knowledge. They can do the training in one go or small bite-sized pieces. The choice is theirs. By the end, they'll know about all the different types of fire, the ways they can spread through a building, and which fire extinguishers to use. Most importantly, they'll know how to assess risk, make changes to the workplace that reduce the chances of fire breaking out, and how to deal with their colleagues in the event of an evacuation. The programme covers fire evacuation drills and how to interact with emergency services. It also gives fire wardens a fascinating insight into the way people react to alarms and how to make them respond more quickly and safely. The programme provides more than passive information. It's an interactive training tool that includes all the detail on fire legislation and other reference documents. It also tests the user's knowledge as they go through the training, and there's a final test with a certificate. The programme can be run from the ordinary CD drive on a computer and also can be loaded onto a network, so it can be shared or instantly accessed from wherever the fire warden happens to be. There's also a reporting suite that enables managers to check who has done what, how much, and how they're doing. This interactive training programme provides you with a very important tool in your fight against fire. To keep safe, you need constant vigilance and well-trained and motivated people who know what to do should a fire start. Fires can start anywhere, at any time, and it's the actions of people that can make the difference to its outcome. This programme adds an important layer to your fire protection, preparing people to be ready and able to do their best.